Hello YouTube, Mountainous here. Guess what? It's been dumping big. Oh yeah, baby, I just got my rig dug out. It's dumping big. It's the storm that won't end. Govy, baby, Mount Hood style. Look how big the walls of snow are on the side of the road. It's freaking massive, baby. I'm super stoked that I got my rig dug out, but check out my house. I had to dig this tunnel. Look at the roof. I had to dig this tunnel to go through and pack it. Check it out. I've been digging snow for about 2 hours. That's just where I came through. The tunnel. It's packed. It's super awesome. Now I'm going to show you the other end of the tunnel. Here's the other end of the tunnel. It hasn't sealed yet, but that's how I get to my house, through the tunnel. It's freaking big. It's been dumping, super dry and blowing. Check out the tunnel back here. I got 16 feet of snow. That's a second story roof. It's freaking nuts. You know how we do it in Govy, baby. Check it out, that's big. See how big it really is. That's the second story roof there. Super dry, big pow. I've had more snow than this, but this is still big. Look at that pow. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this weather report on the snow conditions here in Government Camp, Mount Hood, Oregon. It's big, baby. Until the next one, Mountainous out.
Oh yeah, baby, Mountainous here, coming live from Mount Hood, Oregon. We're banging this with OTRWUSHURICHARD. Mountain roads up high, you can ride the bus. You see the big Buddha and see the handprints of the Kung Fu stars. You can take the ferry to the other side of the water.